Many people dream of becoming fluent in English, but few realize the easiest, most effective path to get there. Most English learners try to study by memorizing long vocabulary lists or taking lessons with online tutors. This common approach can feel slow, boring, and expensive, especially when progress seems limited. Perhaps you have experienced the same frustration. The good news is that there is a much better method, one that makes learning English natural, enjoyable, and effective. This method is called comprehensible input. It completely changes the way your brain learns English. Today, I will explain how it works and why it is the only way to become truly fluent. What is comprehensible input? Language acquisition happens best when you are exposed to language you can understand. Comprehensible input means listening to or reading English that is just slightly above your current level. The key is that you understand the meaning through context, pictures, and repetition. For example, if you hear "this is a door" and see the door while the speaker points to it, your brain immediately connects the word and object. This natural learning helps you absorb vocabulary and grammar without conscious memorization. It's like how children learn their first language, by connecting what they hear with what they see and experience. Even if you don't know every word, your brain guesses the meaning from context, which makes learning easier and faster. Repetition strengthens these connections and helps you remember words long term. Limitations of traditional learning methods. Textbooks and grammar drills focus on memorizing rules and isolated words. They often lack real-life context, which makes it hard to use English naturally. Many learners feel overwhelmed, bored, or frustrated by these mechanical exercises. Speaking remains slow because learners have not trained their brains to think directly in English. This leads to translation in your head, which slows down communication and causes mistakes. Traditional classes often require a lot of time and money without guaranteed success. The problem is that these methods do not create meaningful language habits. Comprehensible input, by contrast, teaches you how to think and speak in English naturally. Step 1. Watch comprehensible input videos. Begin by watching videos designed specifically for learners. These videos focus on the most common 3,000 words in English, the words that appear in 95% of everyday speech. Look for videos with slow, clear speech, simple grammar, and visuals that help understanding. For example, a speaker might say, "I am opening the door," while showing the action, or "these are shoes," while pointing to shoes on the table. This visual and auditory combination helps you understand without translation. You learn words like grass, car, tree, and expressions like "has been cut" versus "has not been cut." Rolling repetition of common words and phrases builds your listening skills and vocabulary automatically. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain will learn through the visuals and context. This immersion is much more effective than memorizing random word lists. Step 2. Reinforce learning with practice. After watching a video, practice what you learn to make the knowledge stick. Use tools like AI chatbots or language apps to get definitions, examples, and quizzes on new words. For instance, take the word door. Past. Yesterday I opened the door to go outside. Present. I open the door every morning when I leave the house. Future. Tomorrow, I will open the door to welcome my friend. Practicing all verb tenses builds deeper understanding and use. Take mini quizzes, multiple choice, fill in the blank, true or false questions to test yourself. Make sentences using the new words to improve your speaking and writing skills. Reinforcement strengthens memory and builds your confidence. Step 3. Use spaced repetition for long-term memory. Simply seeing a word once is not enough for memorization. Spaced repetition systems, SRS, help by scheduling reviews of words at increasing intervals. Apps like Anki allow you to create flashcards with words, phrases, and sample sentences. Reviewing these daily, then after a few days, weeks, and months, helps transfer knowledge to long-term memory. If you don't want to use an app, writing lists and reviewing regularly works too. This repeated exposure prevents forgetting and aids spontaneous use. Consistent reviewing is vital to fluency, especially when you don't have many live conversation opportunities. How comprehensible input outperforms other methods. Research proves that comprehensible input is far more efficient than traditional study. Watching 10 minutes of a well-made video is equivalent to an hour of classroom instruction. The brain processes natural language with visuals and meaning far more deeply than abstract grammar explanations. Comprehensible input videos keep learning fun and interesting by using real-life situations. This keeps motivation high and encourages daily practice. Many language learners who switch to this method see rapid improvements in listening, speaking, and thinking in English. Creating a daily study routine. Make comprehensible input part of your daily life. Set aside 10-15 minutes a day to watch suitable videos. Practice shadowing. Repeat sentences immediately after hearing them to improve pronunciation and fluency. Write down new words and review their meanings and uses. Try narrating your activities out loud or in your head throughout the day. Use flashcards or AI quizzes to review and reinforce vocabulary. Join language groups or chat forums to practice conversations naturally. Regular study, even if short, outperforms long occasional sessions. Staying motivated and overcoming challenges. Learning a language can feel difficult, but steady effort pays off. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Focus on understanding overall meanings. Mistakes are part of learning. Use them as opportunities to improve. Choose topics that interest you: food, culture, hobbies, or travel, to make learning enjoyable. Celebrate small wins like understanding a new phrase or having a smooth conversation. Ask questions when you are stuck. Use technology for support and keep practicing. Final inspiration and next steps. No matter your current level, you can become fluent with this method. Consistency and exposure are the keys to success. Subscribe for more videos and keep learning daily with engaging content. Share this method with friends and family who want to improve their English. Remember, every great journey starts with one step. Start today, stick with it, and you will become fluent.